guys, today we are going to practice cricket. First, basic. You want to, your lefty, you left hand will come here, right hand will come back. And your righty, you want to put right hand up, left hand up.
Yeah.
After that, you want to hold it bit like this. Don't put your like this. Put your leg like this, straight up in your straight line. And first, a bit tight, like this. After that, hold it back like this, and stick, and put like that, bend like this. Okay. First, we 6 and put like this. After that, drive like this, and in this part, you finish. We want to look at this picture, like this. Okay, look at that. Don't. Okay, don't do that. Okay, next bowling. Okay, next is bowling. Now you are spin bowler or a fast bowler. You want to be a fast bowler? Put hand like this, like this. We have see how I put in the ball like that. Okay. Now do like this, put like this, and slowly do like this. Okay. And after that, don't do like this. Don't bend your hand. Okay. Don't bend your hand this hand because that's a no ball. I tell you. You see. See, you want to straight like this. Okay. Today we practice basics of batting and bowling. Tomorrow we going to Tomorrow we going to do in details. Okay. Bye. Subscribe and like.